Ooh. What? What? Mortal Kombat? I forgot I bought this on the Sega. And what is this? Tecmo Superman. I'm about to be. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let me find one of them old school TVs real quick. Yeah. Oh my gosh. How appropriate is this? NBA Jam. Can't tell me nothing. Oh, it's nice. Hey guys, it's me, Reggie from Ashley Lambo Realty, servicing the Charlotte metro area. So if you're interested in buying a home or selling a home in Charlotte, North Carolina or surrounding areas, please give me a call. My information is in the description below. I underestimated it. I really underestimated it. I didn't realize how much stuff we had in our attic that had no purpose to us. And now we have to figure out what to do with it. We have to figure out where's it gonna go, because you don't want to take junk from one house to the next house. I'm gonna show you what I'm dealing with really quick. We bought our first house in 2014. When we bought that house, I had some stuff in the storage unit and we were able to move a few things over, but for the most part, we started buying things right at the beginning of occupying that house. So within the first year, we bought a lot of things we just never used. And a lot of things ended up going into our attic. We thought that we were going to finish our attic. We had a walk-up attic. It was really nice, but we never did. We never finished it for various reasons. I think primarily because for me, it wasn't really going to work for what I was wanting to use it for, which at that time was a place to play drums and just be loud. It really wasn't going to work to finish a space. So it ended up being a storage space. And with it being a storage space, there are things up there I have no clue are up there. We built a storage shed in the back because we had so much more stuff. And I guess that happens when you go through your seasons, you go through several Christmases, you go through several Thanksgivings and other holidays, kids are born, things like that, and you have things that you just don't use anymore. My wife has like a shoe cabinet up there that I think she used in our apartment, but we never used in the house. I don't even know how that thing made it there, but it's in the attic and it's heavy and I gotta figure out how to get it down. Stuff like that. I've got things that I've been collecting for years. I'll keep like sentimental things, things that really have a memory to me. But I think I have things from I think the oldest thing I threw away recently was my refrigerator. Yeah, my refrigerator from college, which is over, gosh, how old am I? 2002. Oh, that's almost 20 years. Oh, dang, that was a while ago. Okay, well anyway, I just got rid of that. Just got the dump. You can check that out in another video that I just did this week. But this is a thing that people have to deal with, and we were very lucky. We didn't have to sell our house in order to buy our next house. But in a way, it kind of made us lazy. It made us lazy because the things we wanted to take, we planned to take that. We planned to box that up and get that going and have what we needed. But the things we didn't want, we kind of just left it. And now we got to get rid of it in order to sell the house, to get on the market. This is just an example of old stuff that literally we don't want anymore. Let's go up here. This is actually our attic. And when we first bought this house, we really thought we were going to use this space for some type of an extra bedroom or something, or just an extra playroom or something. And there's just junk in here that I don't even know what to do. Never opened Christmas presents. Gosh, my snowboard over there. I don't think I've been able to go snowboarding in over three or 4 years. I used to have drums up here, but those have already been moved. Christmas decorations. This is for the screens to our old windows that we replaced within 6 months of living in this house. So that just shows you there. We literally we didn't put that there, by the way. That was there by the previous owner. We literally can get rid of that, and we just have not gotten rid of it. That's the kind of situation I'm talking about. There are things up here I have no clue what to do with. Bunch of boxes. What is this thing? Is this a deep fryer? Yeah, that's a deep fryer. Shoe cabinet. See, I told you. Oh look, it's a baby thing. We can donate that. Some of this stuff is in good condition. It can go somewhere and be used. I don't think this is an actual real. Oh yeah, that was a project that never happened. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, this is my gaming box. Yep, you see the Nintendo controller and all that stuff. That's coming. I think this is my old. You don't want to stop when you're moving and you're doing a lot of it yourself. You want to keep that momentum going. It's been over 3 weeks now, it feels like. I think this is almost the 3rd week, and I can tell you that I'm a little tired of going back and forth and putting things together, but a lot of that is on me because I didn't make a decision earlier to figure out what to do. Wow, that crow was just chilling in the room as to what to do with the stuff. But as you saw in the video earlier, there's just stuff there that I don't even know what to do. Guys, this is the reality of moving, especially right now during COVID. It was very stressful to do a lot of things. If we were to do this again, I think our biggest change would be pretend as if we have to sell our current home the day of the move. That would have prompted us and motivated us to prepare more things for the move, and it would have moved a lot of junk for sure, but a lot of the things in the old house would have been gone, and we would have already probably had it on the market within 3 weeks from when we closed on our new house. That's the kind of thing that if we were to go back and look at it again, we're pretty good at being on top of things, but I think with this situation, we were more so focused on the new house and getting new things, and we had, which is for me the first time I've ever had this, where we didn't have to move out of the old house immediately. So we didn't know how long we were going to be in the old house going into the new house after we bought it, and the biggest reason was because of like appliances that we wanted in the new house. A lot of them wouldn't be there, so we had to figure out things like using the old refrigerator that I had. We had to figure out, what are we going to sit on? What can we move ourselves? Having a truck, we can move a lot of things ourselves, and we said we were going to do the most. But with all that and all the things we had, we just didn't realize how deeply packed our house needed to be in order for it to really be prepped to go. But again, we're happy. We got the house we wanted, and now we can just take our time a little bit to get stuff out of the old one. But I'm gonna light a fire under myself and make sure that every day I'm going there, I'm getting a bunch of stuff, and I'm coming back and forth, and I'm figuring out what we're going to do with some of the stuff we just absolutely have no purpose at all for, like some baby stuff. I think that just needs to go to donation, and somebody else's baby can have it. Just like when we were first pregnant, we bought a bunch of used baby things too. I think that'd be a great use for some of that stuff, and I guess somebody's getting a shoe cabinet. All right guys, well, if you enjoy this video, make sure you like. It's gonna help with the algorithm to make sure that the video pops up for more people who are interested in learning about the difficulties of moving, especially during 2021, because it is very different than it normally is. But also, share the video and subscribe so that I can know that you're here and you're watching and you're part of the clique, you're part of the gang, guys. So I will talk with you guys later. Again, my name is Reggie Jamerson with Ashley Lambert Realty, a North Carolina realtor serving the Charlotte and surrounding areas. If you're looking to buy or sell a home, contact me, guys. Don't forget that. I'll talk with you guys later. Bye.